Hi, Assalamualaikum. So I'm Therapist Zulhairi. So today I'll make an introduction to A+U, the alphabets and also the phonics for each one of it. So the A and also U. So what are the goals of make an introduction so that the children can identify the alphabets A and U, also their phonics. So what is important of the phonics is teach children to read quickly and skillfully, and also it helps children to identify sound that make up a word. So that is the importance of phonics. For all right, hello. So for this task, I will be using two small whiteboards. You can use any medium such as paper or a computer. So for me, I'm using two small whiteboards. I'll write the letter A, and also another small whiteboard I will write U. So you have to teach this one separately. So you have to teach alphabets A with their phonics first, and then you teach alphabets U and their phonics. So first one, alphabets A. So you put the whiteboard in front of your children, and then you have to teach. This is A. Ah. So you have to raise up your hand and then say loudly, ah, a, ah, a, ah, a, ah. And then after you practice for several times for these alphabets A and alphabets U, then you teach alphabets U and its phonics. U, oo. So you have to press on your both cheeks and then make like a duck face and then say ooh. You, ooh, you, ooh, you, ooh. Alright, that is for the introduction A+U. Later on we will be explaining the combination of A+U and how to spell. Thank you.